External battery ports. Safely and easily connect your trolling motor or accessory to the battery ports without opening the box. Dual integrated circuit breakers, integrated with 10 amp and 60 amp circuit breakers to protect your trolling motor and other accessories from electrical damage. Direct USB charger and accessory port, provides one USB charger and one 12 volts accessory port for convenient connection of various DC accessories. Product dimensions. 17 x 12 by 10 inch, fits group 24-27 batteries, LED meter measures battery charge level, battery not included, non-slip rubberized feet keep your battery box in place. Top reviews from the United States. Great battery box with a lot of options. I used this to mount my battery for my Sun Dolphin Sportsman boat. It has been great and is very well built as well as easy to set up and use in my boat. I have everything that I need for power distribution to my depth finder, trolling motor, cell phone, as well as other USB-type connections. I have 2 circuit breakers that prevent damage to your electrical items as well as the battery. I can also check my battery charge while on the water. While I do have a Coleman Gas outboard motor to get me to remote spots, I use the trolling motor while actually fishing for bass. It is nice to know how much charge you have left in the battery during your fishing trip. I strongly recommend this battery box for those that really want a lot of options for your electrical items while on the water.